They know that this country was overthrown a long time ago. This government was overthrown some time back. And we are in military government now.
So who is in charge now?
But I think it's the CDF.
Hey.
It's the CDF. Kubanga ebintu ebyakola biraga nti he's the one in charge. Ogambo tanza ali na gundi. N'omufulubyanga ddala ali tortured. Gwe nosigala ng'otambula oli onywa.
Ngati tewalina akugambako.
Tewalina akugambako. If President Museveni is in charge, can he bring to book if he's a Christian?
As he claims.
As he claims. President, if you are a Christian as you claim, bring out all those people who have been torturing others. Olina akugamba nti Dr. Besigye tajja kuva mu komera. Ngena mutuga. Ngena mutugira eri eggulu kulebade.
Nafunye n'omuti.
Nafunye n'omuti gwe ngena omuttirako. Olina akugamba nti Bobi Wine njagalako omutwe gwe njena mutemako omutwe. Nasigala nga atambula. Nasigala nga akola emirimu gyaki gya gavumenti.
Mazima.
Kati ekitegeeza ki? There is power somewhere. Tulinga nga bagamba nti ndowooza power is lying in a family.
So we are now under family rule.
We are under family rule.
Tata ayagala kita.
We are under family rule.
Ayagala kita kwa
Tata ayagala kuchita kwasa omwana. Era yakita dda. These people are building a dynasty here. Fabatamanyi. Ugandans, unless we wake up, the government has been overthrown. And this man is just there now. He can't say anything. Abantu battibwa, abantu bali mu basement, because people have been crying. Tulina abantu baffe. Waliwo kye bayita underground basements. Abantu gye babasibira, abantu gye babatulugunyiza. Now, oli atulaze nti yalina basement etulugunya abaki abantu. Lwaki tababajjayo? And people are dying in our hands. Abantu bali kufiira mu mikono gyaffe. Bannaye abantu bali kufiira mu gavumenti eno nga tulaba misana. Kijjanga ekisaaga omuntu ne bamukuba ne bamukola bwe batyo enkeera mugenda okulaba mulwadde n'afa. N'omulala n'ati. Oyo n'ayitawo. Olugendo ne lugwa bajja kwogera basirike. But I request our king, you are saying all this, I'm humbled to request our king, Ronald Muwenda Mutebi, the king of Buganda. You were a part of these people. You did a lot to make these people to come to power. Come out and speak of what is happening today. Because your people are dying, our people are dying, our people are tortured. So many children are in safe houses, they are in basements being tortured, and the torturer is now open out. Umanyinga abantu bali bakoze ebikolobero bingi mu ggwanga. They have killed the people. They are causing a lot of havoc. All our neighbors are angry with us. Hey. Our neighbors are angry with us, Ugandans. Mama.
Abazukulu baffe balitubuuza. Tina bino byonna byalinga.
Mwakola wuki. Nga mukola ki. Era mwabasirise. You are the enemies of this country. Mwabebase, mwabasirise, mwabawagira ebintu bino ebigenda mu maaso. You are the first enemies of this country. Let us get united and we fight those who are violating human rights in the country, and those who have even a regime that has lasted for 40 years, 40 decades. We need to get it out.
Those are many years.
We need to fight it out.